In this video, I'm going to assume that you have an basic understanding on how to use Lucidpress and that you are about to create your first ebook. Now, in the first video, I showed you how to open up a blank print document, but this time we're going to open up a document for a tablet. So I'm going to select for tablet here. And I'm going to get some choices here. I can have it either blank, or I can choose from an already pre-designed photo or video books. So you will see that there are 3 that you have access to. We can have a quick look at them by touching on the preview button. So that will open it up, and you'll see that in this particular one you have a basic picture with some text on the corner. You can then use images. These are image boxes that you can replace with. You can see there's a heading, and then there's the lorem ipsum text that you would replace with your own text. So you have full page photo template, you've got 3 photos, a spot for a video, and that. So you could do something like that. Or you can have a look at this one. This one has a different style. I'll just wait for it to come up. In this one, you will see that you have your title going sideways and the spot for your picture on the title. Your background is dark and your font is light colored. It's already chosen fonts for you, so super set up for you, and it looks quite nice and professional. So that's another option for you. And then finally we have this one, which will give you another look again. So we can just scroll through. So you can choose any of these templates that you want, or if they suit you, or you can go ahead and create a blank one. So I'm going to head and create a blank, and I'm going to open that up. So the default is for a tablet. So we've got 0 inches on margins, so that works well. Orientation is landscape, which is quite often. And now you can go ahead and start creating your basic template. So you might want to put your headings. So this is where you put your title, and you'll want to put that, I don't know, somewhere. It doesn't matter where. And you can always change it, and this might be by me, and this might be your title. So we'll move that over here, and I'll have that lined up here. And then maybe you want to put a shape for a background, so I'm gonna put the shape over here and create it like a big side panel, something like that. I can color it a color, but the problem is you see that it is now in front of my text, so I'm going to send it to the back. So arrange, send to the back, and that will give you the title. I'm going to actually make that border gone, and I can drop in an image so I can see which images we want. So I'm going to put this cute little kitty picture, I'm going to drag it over, and now I can make that picture larger by dragging it, and it's going to extend off my page, and that's okay. That's okay. So there we go. And I can click on crop and mask, and I can move that over so you can see it, and hit enter, and there it is. Okay, so there's my title. So now I can create another page. So this is where you might want to put your subheadings. So this might be kittens for fun, and so that might be your subheading. You maybe can put it in the center. You can design your shapes. Maybe you're going to want to put a kitten in a circle, so you can do that. Remember, to maintain the circle shape, you want to hold down this shift key to keep it a circle. Maybe you want to put in another shape for interest, so we can go something like that. And I'm going to fill that with a color, and I'm going to send it to the back. Okay, and then let's put in some Lorem Ipsum font here so that we can set up some written words. So there we go. So there I have a basic template for my photo book. Now with this page selected in blue, I can go ahead and duplicate the page, and I can make several pages just like it if I'm going to keep it pretty much the same. Or I can design 2 or 3 designs and then change the pages up. So I can say, maybe on this one I'm going to say puppies. Oh, that's not puppies, that's silly. And I can change the color to something different. Now let's say I want this page for the second page. I can just drag it and move it over. So now I've got those there. Now when you're all done, you can go to File, and you're going to want to download it as a PDF, and you're going to want to use a Retina screen, so 150, and just go ahead and hit download, and it will download it into your Google Drive. From there, you're going to be able to upload it into your phone, if you have Google Drive on your phone or the iPad, or bring it to your home computer. So that's the basics on getting your ebook created on Lucidpress.